Hello, this is Richard Tuttle, your friendly neighborhood band director from Ada-Borup. Welcome to Tuttle Music. It is Tuesday, October 9th, 2018, and we have another busy day at Ada-Borup. Tonight is the third of 4 mandatory Pep Band performances. It is also the night we will premiere our latest Pep Band song, Classic Medley No. 9. Our band is unique in that every Pep Band song we do has either been written by or arranged by their director. This gives us the freedom to perform whatever we like. So for high school band today, we will run the set list for tonight's Pep Band. For first grade music, it's Storytime Tuesday, The Teacher from the Black Lagoon. Kindergarten music, we will continue working on our BLC Performance, which is on Wednesday, October 24th. It is core middle band today. Cailie Boothe will conduct Midnight Sky for our warm-up, and then we will run tonight's Pep Band set list. As a way to thank our subscribers and to generate more interest in our channel, I'm going to do another live stream event on Friday, October 12th, 2018 at 7:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. The prize will be one $25 Amazon gift card. Here's how you can win. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, watch the videos throughout the week to find the hints to the answer to the trivia question, and then watch the live stream on Friday and be the first to correctly answer the Tuttle trivia question in the live stream chat. Our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this channel to earn revenue for our band program. By subscribing, watching, liking, and sharing our videos, you can help us reach this goal. If you have any questions, please email me. My email address is richardt@ada.k12.mn.us. That sound means it's time for me to take off. Go Cougars on 3. 1, 2, 3.